today we are going to start class 6 geometry, that is class 6 geometry, basic geometrical idea. So what is basic geometrical idea? We will start this one. What is this? That is starting from dot. This is dot, okay? This one dot 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 dot, okay? So what is dot? Dot is called point. This is point. So we can write a point is a mark of position, is a mark of position. What is, suppose this is a dot, this is a mark of position, or a small dot which is invisibly thin represent a point. Okay, so it is denoted by capital letters A, B, C, D, E, F, or X, Y, Z, like that, etc., etc. Okay. Suppose, for an example, suppose this is a pen. Tip, that is sharp. Pen with a sharp end. This is pen with a sharp end. This is point. Or suppose you will see here. This is a tip of the compass. This is the compass. This is the tip of the compass. Okay. This is the compass and tip of the compass. Okay. This is the tip of the compass. This one. Okay. So this is the tip of the compass or pen with the sharp end. This is pen with the sharp end. This part. This is called. This is the point. Pen with a sharp end, and this is the compass. This is the tip of a compass. This is the example of compass. So you can write here, suppose A, B, or suppose this is circle 1 dot. We can write here O, and here this is A. If we join this one, 2 point. If we join 2 point, it will be a line. Then we will write line. What is line? Line is what is line? A collection of points along of endless straight path is called line. A collection of points along and endless straight path. Straight path is called line. Okay, it's called line. So here in this line there is no beginning and no end. No beginning, no end. Suppose this is a line. Okay, suppose AB is a line. So there is no beginning, no end. It is endless. This one is also. So 2 points are endless. There is no end point. So how many that is A to B. 1, 2, how many points are there? Infinity. That is endless points are there. Make a straight path. Then it is called straight line or line. Okay. This one, the 3 part. Suppose first is line segment, second is array, and third one is straight line. So straight line means this one is line segment. What is line segment? A line has First of all, line segment. What is line segment? A line has length but no width or breadth. Suppose this is a AB. Suppose 12 centimeter. This is called line segment. Now we'll discuss about ray. What is ray? What is ray? Okay. A ray is the part of a line having one fixed endpoint. One fixed endpoint and extending endlessly in the other point, other direction. Okay, so we know this is the point, this is the ray. Suppose this is A and this is B. If we start from one endpoint, this is a part of the line, start from one fixed endpoint. It will not come here, only start from here. This is called, this such types of line is called ray. Suppose this is the sun, we know what is this sun. This is sun ray. So this is coming from sun. This is the end point, and but this is endless. Another direction is, or another point is endless. One end is fixed endpoints, and another end is endlessly in the other direction. Okay. Or suppose in a room, this is a bulb. In the room, this is a bulb. So starting from here, this is ray. So these types of line, this is start, one endpoint, this is bulb, and this is endless. Okay, this is endless. So these types of line is called, ray. And we denote this one, suppose AB. We denote this one AB. This is endpoint, this is endless. Okay. Straight line is also as like as this is line. Okay, this one is straight. This is straight line. That is, suppose straight line means here, this is a straight line. So suppose AB, we denote this one AB, endless point. Okay, both side arrow. There is no fixed point. So from here we can say, suppose this is a line. AB is a line. AB is a line. Suppose P, here Q. So AB is line. There is no endpoint. And PQ fixed endpoint from here to here. So it is line segment. It is called line segment. And P2B, PB. What is PB? PB is equal to, there is one endpoint, there is another side is not endpoint, endless. Endlessly in the other direction. So it is called ray. PB is ray. So I think you understood what is this. If there is no endpoint, then it is called AB, it is called line. And if there is two endpoint, then it is called line segment. If there is one endpoint, that is one endpoint, suppose, and another, this side there is no endpoint, that is endlessly in the other direction, then it is called what? It is called ray. So you understood what is ray, what is line, what is line. Suppose two line. One line is suppose L. One line is L. Second line is M. L and M. So here, if line 1 is L and second one is L, M. So L and M both intersect at one common point. Two lines L and M are said to be intersect. There is only one common point, that is O. This is L and M, two lines. What previously we have discussed about line, suppose AB, capital letter. And now we can only express one L or one small l. Okay. So if two lines has one common point, two lines L and M are said to be intersect if they pass through a common point, that is O. If two lines suppose this is L and this is M, they have no common point, and distance between two lines, this is, if this one is suppose 5 centimeter, here this part also is 5 centimeter, from here to here this one also 5 centimeter. So distance between two lines always same, and there is no common point between two lines L and M, then it is called parallel line. Then two lines called parallel. This is line, this is two lines parallel, or this is two lines parallel. Or suppose this is total board. Okay, this is the one board. This line and this line, two lines. This line and this line parallel. Here also this line and this line also parallel. There is no common point, and difference between two lines, this is this distance and this distance and this distance always same. So it is called parallel lines. Intersecting line. What is intersecting line? Two line L and M are said to be intersecting line if they pass through a common point. Only one common point. Okay. So suppose you know this is addition. So this point, or multiplication, this point. Suppose this is point P, point O. So if you write one additional symbol, there is a point, they intersect at the point O, and multiplication symbol, there is intersect at the point. Suppose this is point P, this is point O. Okay. Now what is parallel lines? Parallel lines means similarly two lines L and M are to be parallel. Line L and M are said to be parallel if they have no common point. That is, this line do not intersect each other. That is, this line do not intersect